I realized that if I want to scale up, I have to clone myself. And one of my clients said, Kiran, the good thing about your strength of merchant aviation is that everybody wants to work with you. He said, the biggest weakness that you have is that everybody wants to work with you, Kiran Merchant. And he said, you only have 24 hours in a day, and you will never be able to kind of get out unless you scale up. And that kind of started kind of turning the wheels in my head and saying, well, I need to have employees. So I did not have the money. I had sufficient money to be able to kind of just do the basic operations. I hired my wife as chief operating officer, who was also not getting paid. And I said, well, you basically try to develop the processes and I will go out there and get work. As consultants, you need to basically sell man hours. I did not have the money to go and hire people. So I went out and spoke to some of my very talented friends who had retired from Port Authority or from the airline business. And I said, look, I know that you don't want to work. You make enough money through your pension and your 401ks. But what I can offer you is interesting projects. Would you like to work on some interesting projects? And you decide whether you work for 2 hours a day or 20 hours a day. But I would like you to basically come in and actually help me develop this business. And they were all excited because they all knew that I was good at selling. I was able to kind of think big. And so they said, yes, we don't want to basically get involved in business development. We will not get involved in financing, will not give you any money. You may not pay us, that's fine. But if you pay us, that would be great. And so on day 15, on my website, I had 7 people, including myself. And the combined experience of my team was about 250 years.